Hey guys, and welcome again to CGFamily. Well, this time in this quick how-to video, we are gonna learn how to download your product if you cannot find it in your My Products and Services. So what happens is, many times I've had this issue that I do have the Maya license, but I cannot find it right here in My Products. So let's load this page. Okay, so as you can see, right now I can see the Maya right here, and if I want to download it, I can click on this and download it from right here, like this. But sometimes, even though you have the license of the Maya software, you won't be able to find it in this list. I don't know if it's a bug or maybe something that I was stuck with, and maybe if you are also stuck with the same problem, the only thing you need to do is right here. You see, can't find a product. So click on it. Here, the assistant will ask you some questions. So say, find a product to download. And say, I do have an existing license. Then it'll ask you what you want to download. So my product is Maya. So let's say I want to download Maya 2020. I want to download this for this computer only, and yes, that will be fine with me, and say install. So as you can see right here, if you're facing the same issue and you cannot find it right in this section, you can click on the can't find a product and use this assistant to find your product and download it from there. Thank you so much. I'm done. Well, that's it for this quick how-to video, guys. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, comment your thoughts down in the comment section below, and subscribe for more videos. Well, thank you, and I'll see you soon.